Hey, how you doing, man? My name is Wellington. I will teach you how do you put a new radio in Ranger 94. That's the simple. The yellow one is the power. The yellow one is the memory, 12-volt memory, and the red is the power, and the black is the ground, right? The relay come from to the Ranger is the different one, but the green is the memory. The green and the yellow and black is the power, and the black and green is the ground. That is the other unit, and the other different one for the speaker, front, back, size, and that's it. This is more difficult, and this is the plug go to my new radio. All right, see you.